Vendor screening from Turner Devon Network, TDN, is a more efficient and effective way of handling the growing volume of unsolicited calls and emails from vendors today. It's a service that benefits sellers and buyers alike. In tough times, vendors resort to more aggressive tactics, more cold calling, more emailing, and less research on their targets. It's estimated that businesses targeted by telemarketers devote about 50 man-hours per year handling unsolicited calls. As vendors grow more aggressive, this number will likely grow. But using the vendor screening service from TDN, those businesses would spend just a few minutes each month reviewing those same calls and determining the relevance of each. Using the TDN system, you direct the caller to a dedicated voicemail box.
If you are calling to become one of our preferred vendors, please press 5.
Or your staff can forward calls into the voicemail box directly.
We appreciate your interest in our business and we want to hear your value proposition. Please leave your name, the name of your company, and your phone number. Someone will return your call.
Turner Devon Network directs vendors to a supplier portal customized for each company we represent. This website is part of the vendor screening service. At no cost, the vendor may provide their contact information and a benefit statement. In other words, what they will do for you. TDN also offers these vendors the option of a paid subscription. They can then learn more about your company, submit their value proposition, and share a case study which would cite an existing customer in your industry with similar needs and verifiable ROI. A web-based periodic report contains all of this information for your review at your convenience. The date of contact, name of the product, its benefits, the vendor's pricing or business model, and adoption costs. It also contains a field in which you can share your feedback. For example, if you already have a contact for a similar product or service, you may want to indicate the expiration date when a callback might be more timely. If you're interested in learning more about a particular vendor's product or service, you can tell us what is missing from their value proposition that might make it more relevant to your needs. It is here, in the analysis of the vendor's value proposition, where we deliver key value to you. Based on your feedback, we recontact the supplier so that the next report will include the information you need. If you have an immediate need and you choose to contact the vendor directly, we step aside. This service is designed to give companies a more efficient and effective way to deal with a growing number of unsolicited cold calls and spam. In a recent survey conducted with CIO Magazine, TDN learned that 60% of senior IT executives are getting more cold calls than ever, while 70% said the same thing about spam. Large companies like Walmart use internet tools to pre-approve their vendors. Some companies look for suppliers compatible with corporate culture. AT&T's portal revolves around the concept of value. But most companies don't have the advantage of a supplier portal to know which vendors offer the best value match. Now they can have one. If you would like TDN to manage the portal and represent your company, we'll do it for free. Or you can self-manage it under a license from TDN. We welcome a relationship based on either model. In a world of more demand on your time and less time to satisfy it, the vendor screening service from TDN delivers real value.